Hello everyone. In this video we are going to understand about a problem based on vernier caliper. We have to calculate the least count of the vernier caliper in this given question. And least count of the vernier caliper is the minimum length that can be measured with the help of a vernier caliper. So here it is given that a vernier caliper has 1 millimeter marks on the main scale. It means that vernier scale consists of two different types of scales. First one is main scale and the another one is vernier scale. So the minimum marks means the minimum length of this main scale, minimum distance that can be measured with the help of this main scale is 1 millimeter. The difference between 0 and 0.1 is 1 millimeter. Okay, now it has 20 equal divisions on the vernier scale which match with the 16 main scale divisions. It means that 20 main scale division. So these are the divisions on the main scale. So 20 divisions on the vernier scale is matches or is equal to the 16 divisions on the main scale. So 20 vernier scale division or 16 main scale division. Now we can say that one main scale division, one MSD means one main scale division, which is equal to 1 millimeter, and we can write it as 20 vernier scale divisions. 20 vernier scale divisions equal to 16 main scale division. So we have to calculate the value of one vernier scale division. So one main scale division is 1 millimeter already given. So 20 vernier scale division equal to 16 main scale division. Here we can calculate that one vernier scale division equal to 16 by 20 main scale division. It can be written as 4 by 5, and one main scale division is already 1 millimeter. So 4 by 5 multiplied by 1, which is equal to the whole is equal to 0.8 millimeter. So we have calculated that one vernier scale division equal to 0.8 millimeter. Now we have to calculate the least count. So least count equal to one main scale division minus one vernier scale division, which is equal to 1 millimeter minus 0.8 millimeter. Again calculating this, we get 0.2 millimeter. Hence the least count of this vernier caliper is 0.2 millimeter, and it depends on the total number of divisions present on the vernier scale. And we can say that least count is equal to one main scale division minus one vernier scale division. Thank you.